Hello, welcome back to Exam Acer Academy. Today I'm going to discuss last shift of SSC CPO GK question of 4th October. That's the last shift. That is the third shift. So let's go to the question. What is the chemical formula for the aldehyde group? Aldehyde group is CHO. OH is alcohol group. COH is carbonic acid group. Okay. The CHO is the aldehyde group. Okay, the answer is CHO. Okay, next. The agricultural land below the main canal water level forms the dash. The agricultural land below the main canal water level forms the command area. As per Article 361 of the Constitution of India, who among the following shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his or her office? So, as per Article 361 of Constitution of India, who among the following is not answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of power? So that is governor. Governor is not answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his or her office. When was the first World Weightlifting Championship organized by the World Weightlifting Federation in London, UK? The first time the World Lifting Championship was organized on March 1891. March 1891. Identify the pigment that gives blood its color. That is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin gives the blood its red color. Okay. Chapchar festival is predominantly celebrated in Chapchar festival is predominantly celebrated in Mizoram. When did the first 5-year plan end? When did the first 5-year plan end? That is March 1956. It started in 1951. And it started from 1951 to 1956. The first 5 plan was like Green Revolution. Father of Green Revolution, M. Swaminathan. So what was there in Green Revolution? That is HYC, that high yielding varieties of seeds was used. Who was the eldest of 4 sons of Babur? Eldest of 4 sons of Babur is Humayun. Humayun was the eldest son of Babur. So after Babur, he became the successor. Identify the group of major jute producing state of India. So major jute producing state is West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. Okay. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. Which article of Constitution of India prohibits forced labor? So Article 23 prohibits forced labor. So we can just eliminate and see. So 21 is related to protection of life. 20 is related to protection of right to live only. 22 is preventive detection. So 23 is the prohibits forced labor. Which of the following books has been written by the Booker Prize winner Kiran Desai? The Inheritance of Laws. Inheritance of Laws won Booker Prize. It was written by Kiran Desai. The liability to pay the tax and actual burden of which of the following taxes lie on two different persons? The liability to pay the tax and actual burden of which of the following tax lie on two different persons? That in GST, Goods and Service Tax. Which of the following years was declared as the International Year of Microcredit by UN? Which of the following years was declared as the International Year of Microcredit by UN? That is 2005. Then what's there in 2005? That is the Right to Information Act was established on 2005. Under the Regulating Act of 1773, the King in Council created a Supreme Court in which of the following places? Under the Regulating Act of 1773, the King in Council created a Supreme Court in Calcutta. Supreme Court first established in Calcutta. Okay. Padma Bhushan awardee Kumidini Lakia is renowned for which of the following dance? So Kumidini Lakia is renowned for Kathak. According to 2011 census, any person aged dash and above and has the ability to read and write considered as literate. That is, person aged 7 is considered as literate. So highest literacy in Kerala. Okay, highest literacy in Kerala. Who among the following was not associated with Prarthana Samaj? Prarthana Sabha. Who is not associated? So who are associated with Prarthana Sabha? R.G. Bandrakar, Govind Ranade, Atmaram Pandurang related to Prarthana Sabha. So Motilal Nehru was not associated with Prarthana Sabha. Which Manipuri dance expert founded Govindji Nartanalaya Dance School for Women in Imphal? So who found? That is Guru Bipin Singh found the Govind Govindji Nartanalaya dance form. So Guru Bipin is a famous Manipuri dance. The Vishnu Rubber Award 2019 went to the noted dash dance exponent Kumari Laitjonam Embapisoki Devi. So Latijovam is a Manipuri dancer. Okay, she is related to Manipuri dancer. Which of the following rights was deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act? That is, right to property was removed. Select the correct combination of the temple and the state in which it is located. Okay, Kamakya temple is in Assam. Only that one is correct. The rest are wrong. Which article of the Indian Constitution lays the condition that President once elected shall not be a member of either House of Parliament or state legislature? That is Article 59. Which of the following states will host 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup? Odisha. Odisha will host 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup. The Landholder Society was founded to look after the interest of which class? Landholder Society was founded to look after landlords. Which state among the following started the Hornbill Festival to encourage interaction among the tribe and to promote the cultural heritage of the state? So Hornbill Festival is in Nagaland. Which of the following is a primary aryline in which an amino functional group is substituted for one of the benzene hydrogen? That is aniline. Which of the following is not a correct match? So conductance, Siemens, voltage, force, resistance, ohm, capacitance is not time. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. There is increase in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern place. Actually, it's decreasing. So the eastern part has the highest rainfall. So it will be decreased. Okay. So this one is the wrong statement. Most part of the country receive rainfall from June to September. The annual precipitation in Meghalaya is over 400 centimeter. Some parts like Tamil Nadu's coast get the large portion of its rain during October and November. That is retreating monsoon. The age of the Earth is currently thought to be 4.5 billion years. Okay. Consider the following statements regarding the Indo-Greeks. So we have to choose the correct statement here. The most celebrated Indo-Greek ruler was Menander. So Indo-Greek ruler was Menander. It's the correct. Menander has been identified with King Milinda mentioned in the famous Buddhist text Milinda Panho. That is correct. Milinda Panho contains philosophical questions that Milinda asked Armapalli. That's a wrong statement. That is wrong. Okay. Impressed by the answers, King Milinda accepted Buddhism as his religion. Yeah, he accepted Buddhism. That is the correct answer. So 1, 2, 4 is the correct statement. Who among the following was the successor of Muhammad bin Tughlaq to the throne? So, successor of Muhammad bin Tughlaq was Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Why do pickles last longer? Because bacterial and fungal cells get plasmolized in high salt concentration of pickle. Okay. Which article of the Constitution clarifies that policies like reservation is not a violation of right to equality? That is 16.4. How many cities are covered under the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Scheme? How many cities were covered under the Atal Mission Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Scheme? That is 500. Who was the teacher of the famous musician Tansen? So was the teacher of the famous musician Tansen? Swami Haridas. So Tansen was in first Reva court. After that, he moved to Akbar court. His teacher was Swami Haridas. Kuchipudi, Kuchipudi originated in which of the following state? Kuchipudi originated in Andhra Pradesh. How many balls are there in an over in a cricket? That is 6 balls are in an over. Which trend is found about the distance between the galaxies? It is increasing distance between galaxies. Pandit Ramnarayan, a famous instrumentalist, is known for playing which of the following instruments? That is sarangi. Which of the following is an autobiography of the international tennis player Andre Agassi? Which of the following is Autobiography of international player tennis player Andre Agassi. That is open and autobiography. In which year did Ernst Haeckel introduce the term ecology to describe the economies of living forms? That is 1866. Ernst Haeckel introduced the term ecology, 1866. This is the second time they're asking this question. Once they asked in CGL. Which scientist synthesized an organic compound, urea, from an inorganic compound, ammonium cyanide? That is F. Holler. Which of the following options are homogeneous mixture? So solution, colloid, milk, toothpaste, salt, water, brass is not a homogeneous. Colloid, suspension, milk, toothpaste is not homogeneous. C. Solution, salt, water, brass is a homogeneous mixture. The black soil of Deccan Plateau lacks which of the following mineral? The black soil lacks phosphorus. Which schedule of Constitution of India contains provisions for disqualification of legislator of ground of defection? That is defection law. That is in Scheduled 10th. When was the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program launched? Prime Minister's Employment Generation Scheme was launched on 2008. Which of the following cannot be grouped under physiographic divisions of India? So, Appalachian mountains cannot be divided into physiographic divisions of India. Match the list. So, second fire plan after 56. Okay, 56 to 61 is second fire plan. That is A2. See, only this one is there. So, we can directly say A2. Then, fifth fire plan was in 1974 to 79. Eighth fire plan was in 1990 to 97. Who observed ribosomes in the mid 1950s and described them as small particles in the cytoplasm that were preferentially attached to the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. Who said? That is George P. Pallet, who said ribosomes in the who observed ribosomes in the mid 1950s and described them as small particles in the cytoplasm that are preferentially attached to the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. In football, a kick is awarded to the opposition player when a player has committed a foul. What is the kick called? That is free kick. Free kick is uh, provided when the opposition player committed a foul. So this is the last shift of 4th October CPO paper. So I'll come back with the last three papers in short time. Thank you.